So I got my Dolo bike up there, and finally I was able to cut out the wheel wells for my turf inside of the truck bed. So now it's perfectly cut out to go back there, hang out. Got my straps right here, my straps back there to hold my gas can, so my gas can will not spill and fall over and suck up all of this stuff here. Let this dry out real good. Got all my ratchet straps back there. It's good to go. Been up at the Paradise Portal today doing some renovations and whatnot. What's going on with y'all, man? It's your boy, Ain't That Lito. Back here with you again. Today I'm at the Paradise Portal, man. I'm at the Paradise Portal. You know what I'm saying? About to get this thing fixed up a little bit, interior wise. Take care of a few things that we gotta take care of. Weather's nice today. I'm also gonna bring my bike back home. I wanna take the bike out. So yeah, man, y'all stay tuned. See what it does. I'm also gonna mess with this TV. Get this TV hemmed up. Put up somewhere. So yeah. What's going on, everybody? So for this project, I am in the Paradise Portal in my RV. I am getting ready to mount my TV to the wall. I'm not sure exactly where I want it yet, but I'm thinking either here, because the wall mount comes in and out, so either here or here might be ideal. May even do 2 TVs, who knows. So just stay tuned. This is also probably even a good spot, but it might get away from my microwave. But yeah, this is my first TV installation. Gotta figure out, the best spot to put this thing. But yeah, let's see what it does. Wish me luck. Stay tuned. Just like that. We got us a TV that ain't mounted just yet. But if we wanted to mount that motherfucker, oh yeah. 1 yard for $7. Got some more spray paint for the bikes. Got that stud finder. Hopefully this does not require any batteries. But let's see what it does. Alright, so went to Walmart, grabbed a 5 sensor accuracy Heart Advanced stud finder. Gonna bring this inside the RV and see if I can find that stud to get this TV mounted. So yeah, it's been fun doing this. In about 15 minutes, have an interview with a hot shot company called Lugger. See what they're talking about. Got my turf and all my stuff drying up. I had a little gas spill in the back of the truck earlier. Got that all cleaned up though. Get stuff put back in there, get it nice and cut out, shaped up. But yeah. Man, it's like with this RV, man, it's like a it's never ending projects. Project goes on forever and ever, never ends, but that's what I signed up for. That's what I signed up for, so this fabric here should last me, honestly, for a long, long time. Still got another roll of this, that. Still got this fabric. So we're honestly doing pretty well with the fabric. Not gonna run out of that in quite a while, so that'll work out for me. All right, got Dolo bike number 2. Today I had to go get a wall stud scanner. I also completed this black backdrop. Can't really see, it's kind of dark for this wall of the RV. I also went ahead and installed the TV mount for this TV right here. I might be putting that probably in this corner or so right here, maybe. That way it can turn out this way. You can watch TV from this area, swing it out this way, watch TV from the back of the RV, like so. Might even get another one to install right here, but it might get in the way of this whenever that tries to come down, so I might not be able to do that here. However, right here, once I figure out where that stud is, which seems to look like it's about right there or so. Looks like there's been some TVs already mounted up here. But yeah, that way I can swing out like this way for the bedroom. Might even be able to watch from the bathroom. Might even get a TV in the bathroom. Who knows? It's all speculative. But yeah, Paradise Portal. Take this guy home with me, charge him up, do some more research for this TV. Got my work area cleaned up. Got Dolo bike number 1 in the back of the Dolo truck. Got this in here next to the Dolo merch. You know, got my Dolo cards. Turn the truck off. Got a nice charge up. Get this baby locked up so we can get out of here. Take a quick walk around. Everything looks good. Tires, bikes are secure. I just leave this here for tomorrow. I'm using that to paint the bikes. Take one last walk around, make sure everything's solid. Everything does look good. Alright, so let's get it done. Let's head back home. Got these all tied up, locked up, and they're not going nowhere. Same as that side. Alright, we're looking good, fellas. Let's head out of here. Let's get her locked up. All you gotta do is visit www.doloent.com. You can rent this truck, rent this RV, or you rent this bike. Alright guys, it's great having you. About to head back to the crib, man. Got my receipt, saved my receipt. Everything locked and loaded, And yeah, nice good day's work. Close this window. Got my business cards, all that good stuff, drink. Now I can head back home and yeah, it all starts again tomorrow. Don't stop. It's forever. Might even do some Ubering tonight. Who knows, you know? My car vacuumed out, cleaned up, so yeah, fellas. Until next time, thank you for tuning in to the YouTube, the Snapchat, the Instagram, the Facebook, the TikTok, everything that we streaming on. But it's been a great, awesome day. Made a little bit of money, spent some money, you know. Focused on bringing more value to my assets. So in my book, it's a win in every single direction. Our little bike back there. can't really lose when you taking care of your assets, you know? Taking care of your assets, you win really in every direction. So, alright, so looks like it made it to the paradise portal. Got my stud finder. Got our new wall back here. Looking nice and uniform, making it a little more darker inside here. Matches the leather. Loving it, loving it, loving it, loving it. I just did that yesterday. Real quick and easy. So I'm about to finish the sides right here. Get that off. Get that. I might keep it, but I might just make it black. Hit both these sides. Knock that out. Might even. I don't think it's good. Beneath it, up there. Might even black out this kitchen area. Who knows? Who knows? But yeah. That's today's project. This is Paradise Portal right now. Got our fireplace in there. It's looking good. Got my stud finder. Let's see if I can get this TV put up. If not, it's alright. Probably put it right there. Alright, so I looked around at a few spots and I came to find out that I will be putting mounting my TV right here. There seems to be a wooden stud behind this side of the wall. As you can see, where that lines up, so about to yay high. So I'll be able to, with the TV right here, I'll be able to swing it inside and outside this room, making it visible to this room, as well as to the front of the RV, to watch TV, play games, you know, from the kitchen or wherever you are. Honestly, within the entire interior of the RV. So stay tuned. So these are the wooden stud screws that they suggested that I use. However, since this is an RV or a camper trailer, not a residential home, the wall is not that thick. Therefore, I'll be using my own, you know, stud screws to mount this here TV onto the wall. So I'll be putting these inside the nut and then putting the nut through the studs, putting the stud, the arm on the stud on the wall, hanging the TV on it, and now you see it. Just like that, boom. Got ourselves a mounted TV. You can play it from right here. Look at that. Would you look? Now, would you look at that? Now, that's stylish right there. Can't get any better than that in 1996 Fleetwood Prowler. All right, y'all. So, man, I just went crazy inside of here, man. Check this out, man. Whoa. Whoa. My very first TV mount. But I did it. It wasn't hard. Stud finders. I was gonna take it back, but I'm gonna keep it. Great investment. Fellas is tripped out here. 360 TV. You can watch it from any direction. That's how you do it. Yeah. Clean up my work area. But yeah, fellas, it's your boy Ain't That Lito. I'm up here at the Paradise Portal. As you can see, I just mounted my first TV. MRV. I ain't even trying to rhyme like that, but hey, it's just me, you feel me? But yeah, one project complete. Now I'm about to try and finish these walls up. Get them all black, uniform, neat, you know. Got a harsh winter coming up, but this RV is low key like it's low key a little full time ready, if you ask me. I don't know. What do y'all think? Got TV, got an office, got a fireplace, got a room, got a bathroom in here. Got some flies, but it's looking pretty good to me. The bathroom's nice. It's like a little bikes. Can't really complain. It's like a little apartment. Yeah. This is it, fellas. Let me know what you think. Like, subscribe, share, whatever you want to do. Yeah. Just had to go slide to the little game store. Caught some pickups for the PS3. Didn't have the chargers. So luckily the recycled video game store had what we needed. You feel me? So we are about to plug up and eat some breakfast. Have some fun.
Get this money like it's my religion. It's to be a man, they're sad if any of these niggas that try to compare whatever I do.